Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how to resend an in-house sign document. So you sent a document. For whatever reason, your recipient did not get the document, and now you have to resend the document. I'm currently in the Inhouz Cloud console. To jump into Inhouz Sign, all I need to do is click on the Inhouz Sign tab or menu. So to send a document, I'm going to go ahead and create a document really quickly. I'm going to use my test proposal template. So I'm going to click on the Create Documents button, give it a name. I'm going to call this Test Proposal XX126, random name. I'm going to say Use a template, select my template, Test Proposal, select, switch this to the development environment because this is for test purposes, and go into the Recipients tab, select myself as a recipient, get into the Security tab. I'm going to turn the restricted access off because my email is very secure. So I'm going to go ahead and send this document. All right, perfect. It's done sending. So let's just assume for a second that you get a message from the person that you sent the documents to, or maybe you ask the person, hey, why didn't you sign the document? And they say, hey, well, I didn't receive the document. Perfect. You can say, okay, I'm going to resend it. So I'm going to jump back into the environment that I sent this document in, which is the development environment. And I'm going to jump into this document. As you can see, it's sent. So I'm going to go in here and view. So because this document is not completed, I can see the option to sign in person, to cancel this document, to resend the document, and to just view the document's current setting configurations. All right, I'm going to go ahead and just click on resend, and that's it. Now, your recipient should receive these documents. So I'm just going to pull in my email. As you can see, I received the notification for this document twice, and that is because I resent it to myself. All right, so that's it for this video. So it's a very, very quick one. To resend a document, all you need to do is come into the document that has not been completed. Just click on the resend document button, and that's it. All right, see you in the next one.